Jack the E36 under this thing. There should be a little pad, but it's missing. I don't give a shit about this car, so I've just jacked it up here. You want to take the wheel off and hope and pray that you don't have Z3M wheels that have been plasti dipped. Holy shit, what is that? Don't get killed by that, whatever that is. What the hell is that? That is massive. Hell no, I'm coming back tomorrow. Alright, see ya. He's slowly walking away while he plans how he's going to basically murder me and my entire family. That thing is huge. Oh my god. What the hell? Push off all these sensors and brake things off the back of here. They just push out. And then you have to kind of give the thing a reach around, because under here there's a bolt there. There's a bolt, where is it? There. And there's a bolt there. So I think they're all 18s, just take them off. I just got a little mini breaker bar to point at him, and he stuck his, like, whatever they are, nostrils. He stuck his nostril hair up. Like, you want to fight? I'll fight. Come on, you little bitch. To give this thing a proper reach around, you need a Ryobi, and you need to put a couple of extensions and a little floppy cock on the back. Oh shit, are they even... Is that a 17 I'm trying to use? I'm obsessed with 17s, what an idiot. Alright, got an 18, let's get it on. There's one. Get that little shed over here. Can I do anything? Might put a wrench on the other side of that. Just, if you've got this plastic in your way, just rip it off. Alright, half rip it off at least. There's two. See if we can get that little bad boy here. Right, it's just spinning. Alright, let me get a wrench. There we go. So you might want to tap this little fella out. Save that washer. There we go. There we go. Okay, now yank that off. Don't worry about your brake lines or anything. They're going to be fine. And undo these. I think normally they're 13s, but on this they're 12. He hasn't gone, by the way, he's still there. Alright, I don't want to let these drop, and I probably need both hands, so I'm going to grab this shaft here and then just turn these off with my fingers. There we go. Stealing someone's BC coilovers. Onto the rears. This is for a Vert. I don't know what you do on a sedan, but basically yank the roof up and it'll pull the back up. So you pull that up, and then there they are. This one looks a little bit sort of surface rusty, but there is a little fish tank here. But they'll clean up. Oh, if anyone wants these wheels, I'll let them go for $1,000. Tyres are pretty Achilles. Well, anyway, just hit up me or Cole and give us $1,000 and we'll give them to you. I don't even want to touch them. It's like going into one of the Indiana Jones temples trying to work on it. Look at that. Yuck. Alright, so to get this spring out, you basically just unbolt this. I think that's also an 18. And then to get the shock to drop, you just unbolt. That doesn't look right, that looks weird. That doesn't look stock. Anyway, you undo that and then just yank them out. Come on, Ryobi. Let's see it. Nope. Oh, I'm probably going to have to get a breaker bar on it. Oh, God, look at that. That's disgusting. Ugh. Give me that back. Alright, breaker bar then. How's your father? Come on. There we go. Alright, he needs holding too. Probably another 18. Got the one from the front. Alright, shit, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Bloody thing's stuck. Why don't I just use the Ryobi? Oh, that's why. Can't get it out. Oh, she wants to come out. There we go. Where's the nut? Let's save that. Alright, let's try and kick it off. Ah, yeah. I need to open that to loosen this down. I think that's a 19. That's so weird. Normally it's like a bolt going in. I've never seen one like that. Has anyone ever seen one of those? Alright, we can now get those bad boys out. This thing's weird, it's just not even coming off. But look at that. It's like some sort of welding disaster over here. Oh, she's coming. It's so sketchy. There we go. That is nasty, whatever the hell that is. It's like, you know, when your penis looks really good, but like your ball sack's frozen and everything disappears. Kind of looks like that. So that was it. That's basically like removing the front and back from an E36. Once you've finished, do the other side, put it on bricks and throw some tarps over it.